For example, which one of the following group of the plants was domesticated in the New World and introduced into the Old World? Now see, read the language at least 2 times because this appears to be a bit confusing. It is talking about plants domesticated in the New World and introduced into the Old one. तो जो न्यू वर्ल्ड में था एंड देन दैट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द ओल्ड वर्ल्ड. नाउ यू शुड बी फर्स्ट हैविंग अ आइडिया रिगार्डिंग द न्यू वर्ल्ड, ओल्ड वर्ल्ड. व्हाट इज दिस? सो इफ यू डू नॉट हैव बेसिक्स क्लियर, you will be not able to interpret even the question. What comes under the new world? What comes under the old world? So these things will come only when you have read the basic resources, basic NCERTs regarding this. Now, let's see if you are aware that the new world included the Americas and the old world included even the Europe, even the other region including the Asia and Africa. Now, just try to find out certain odds in this particular question. So tobacco, cocoa and rubber. Let's read others. Tobacco, cotton and rubber. Now we already know that the cotton was one such thing which was already available in this particular region or the old world. It was asking about कि introduce क्या किया गया old world में, right? So cotton was not there, that's why obviously it is going to get wrong. Next is the cotton, coffee and sugar cane. Again, because of the cotton it can become wrong. Next is rubber, coffee and the wheat. Again, because of the wheat. So here you have identified certain issues with the other things. Now if you have casually looked towards certain things, some things might be correct but not the all things. UPSC wants everything should be correct in this, and that's why the reading the questions very very carefully, having a clear idea about the basics, having an idea about why UPSC is asking this question, what they want to test.